Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet. First, crack 2 to 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, then whisk vigorously until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. Next, finely chop your desired vegetables like onions, green chilies, and fresh cilantro. These fresh ingredients will add wonderful flavor and texture to your delicious omelet. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil or butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour the whisked egg mixture into the pan, ensuring it spreads evenly. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the edges begin to set and the center is mostly firm. This initial cook is crucial for a fluffy texture. It's time to add those delicious fillings. Sprinkle your finely chopped onions, green chilies, and cilantro over 1/2 of the partially cooked omelet. If you like, you can also add a small amount of grated cheese for extra richness. Carefully, using a spatula, gently fold the other half of the omelet over the filling. This creates that classic, beautiful omelet shape. Continue cooking your folded omelet for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown on both sides and the cheese, if added, is melted. Once perfectly cooked, carefully slide your delicious omelet onto a serving plate. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro for a touch of color, and serve it immediately for the best taste and enjoyment. Enjoy your homemade omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.